There is a common cliche that says if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So today I'm going to look at how the field sales team can make a weekly sales plan. Uh, One is to plan for the revenue target that you're looking to generate during that week. How much money are you looking forward to make that week? Two is the number of visits that you are looking forward to make on the said week. Is it 10 visits, 15, or 20 visits? Third on that category is expected closures. How many deals are you looking forward to close on that week? Fourth is the product line, depending on the kind of products that your business provides. Product A, how many of those that you wish to sell? Product B, how many of those? And product C, how many of those that you wish to sell during that particular week. Second is the territory and client segmentation. So you have to pick a particular geographical area. Say if you are going to Nairobi West, so that you can avoid moving from one place to another or all over the place. That would make you waste time, money, and fuel, and even focus. Now, after picking a geographical area, now you look at the clients that you are going to meet. One, you look at the existing clients. Now, for existing clients, you're looking at retention, retaining them. Look, check on them, see how they are doing. What can you help with? And if they have any problems, if you can solve those problems, or even look to upsell them to the next product. Say if they are doing standard, you want to upsell them to premium level. Now, second on that segment is you look at the new prospects, or you focus of conversion. How many prospects do you look to convert during that week? Then the third segment on that category is the dormant clients. For those, you look to reactivate them or bring them back to business. Third on your weekly plan is your daily activity plan. So you look at Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So for Monday, there is a client that you write to meet on a Monday, a client or two. Then what is the objective that you look forward to meet during that day? Now in the evening, on the last row on that category for the day is the outcomes. So that obviously you will do in the evening. Now finally, on your weekly plan is you follow up on your previous week's activities. What do you need to do? Do you need to follow up on particular clients during this weekend, or on what day, and at what time? Like and share.